Good morning, children. Let's continue the time chapter. Now we'll discuss about 24-hour clock time and 12-hour clock time. Children, you know, whatever you see in your home, that is 12-hour clock. Okay, but in the railway station, airport, interstate bus terminals use a unique timing system. Instead of dividing the time as AM and PM, the time is counted in 24 hours. That is, it counts from 1 to 24. Here time is expressed in digital form in 4 digits. The first 2 digits denote hours and the second 2 digits are for minutes. Consider 7 hours 24 minutes. It can be written as 7:24. Okay. Also we can change from 12 hour to 24 hour clock time. For example, if the time is given in AM, then there is no change and AM is replaced by hours. For example, 4:15 AM. So here AM is given as 4. Just we remove that AM and we write 4:15 hours. But if the time given in PM, then add 12 to the time and replace PM with hours. For example, 7 PM. If we add 7 with 12, then we get 19. So we just write 19 hours. Thus 19 hours means 7 o'clock in the evening and 7 o'clock in the morning means 7 hours. So clear the difference? Then to change from 12 hour to 12, change from 24 hour to 12 hour clock time. If the given time is equal or less than 12 hours, then there is no change. Replace hours by AM. For example, 12 hours or 11 hours equal to 11 AM. But if the time is more than 12 hours, we just subtract 12 from the time and replace hours with PM. For example, 21 is to 45 hours means, children, 21 is to 45 minus 12, that is 9:45 PM. Clear, children? Now comes to my practice time 3. One number is changed to 24-hour clock. Okay, here given 12-hour clock time system, we have to convert 24-hour clock time. First one is 1 AM. 1 AM means it is less than 12, so we just write 1 hours. Means we write like this. Hours. Okay. Then 7 AM means 7 hours. 2 PM. Here 2 PM is given, not AM. So here we add 12. 12 plus 2 is 14 hours. Then 4 PM. PM means here also we add 12. Then we get 16 hours. Then 10 PM. PM here given. So 10 plus 12 is 22 hours. Then comes to 2 number. Change to 12-hour clock. Here 24-hour clock time is given. We have to convert 12-hour clock time. So 17 is to 40 hours. Here 17 is more than 12. So we subtract 17, 40 minus 12. We get 4:40 PM. 5:40 p.m. We write like this: 5:40 p.m. Then 8 is to 10 hours means just we write 8 10 am because it is less than 12. So like this you complete 2 number, children. Then duration of time. Time duration means how much time someone takes. The time duration can be calculated by subtracting the starting time from the finishing time. For example, the school bus starts at 7 am from Rahul's house and reaches his school at 7:45 am. How long does the bus take to reach the school from his house? Here solution is given. We know that the bus starts at 7 am and reaches school at 7:45 am. So the duration of time is just we subtract reaching time minus starting time. Then we get 45 minutes. Then comes to my practice time 4. Here children, you remember only one number is your homework. Only one number. Find the time duration between 7 am to 11:45 am. So here we subtract 11 am, 11:45 am minus 7 am. Then we get how much? 4 hours 45 minutes. Then B bit. 10:30 am to 7:30 pm. Children, you see properly here am and pm is given. So 10:30 am to 12 o'clock means 12 noon. How much? First you find out. Then 12 noon to 7:30 pm. How much? So first of all 10:30 to 12 is 1:30 means 1 hour 30 minutes. Then 12 noon to 7:30 pm is 7 hours 30 minutes. So total if we add we get 9 hours. Okay. So like this you complete one number. So my practice time 3 and my practice time 4. Only one number is your homework. Okay children. Thank you.